Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to add rules in Canva. So if you want to make it more easier for you to make a design for a grid or anything, you can just add some, or you can just show the rules of here that will appear here at the top in Canva, and then I'm going to show you how. So at the editor page, in this page, you can just go to the file option, file menu at the top, and then you'll see the show rules and guides option, or you can just click on Shift plus R. I'm going to just click on this, and then you'll see the rule will show up like this. It will probably make it easy to make a grid or anything like that. But if you want to hide it, you can also do I'm going to click Shift and R, and it will disappear just like that. Okay, so that is how you can show rules in Canva. I hope this will help you, and don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.